Sine 300 degree looks hard, but here's the easiest trick. So we are asked to find sine 300 degree. So I'm going to use the quadrant for angles in the fourth quadrant. So sine 360 degree minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. So for sine 300 degree, I can write sine 360 degree minus 60 degree is equals to minus sine 60 degree, and sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So sine 300 degree is minus root 3 by 2, which is approximately minus 0.866. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.